everybody, welcome back to another episode at Man's Woodturning. As you can see, I already got me a log between the spindles here. What I'm going to do is we're going to do a little toothpick holder, one that you can put in your pocket. Your significant other can put in the purse, wherever. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this rounded off. Little rough and guys here, and get it round, and then see where we go from there. That's about where I want her. Yeah, not that one. A little bit more part, just a little more. A little more bite off. Back on here. Alright, so let's get the tenon on that first. First things first, right? All we gotta do now is get enough of this to roll down here, and then a little more for the that's all. We'll rake that off. Okay, this comes on, and back up, and you come back in here, and just do a little piece over here first. Okay, but I got to stop on this right away. Overdo it. And I got a little make up for it. Start over again. Right, so just about there. So. It's going good. Right there. That's the third I need to take off. That's a little shade. That's like perfect. Fit. It's a slow process. Alright. All I gotta do is get this out of here. I'm getting tired of digging myself. There we go. Nice snug fit. Now I'm trying to line everything up. So now I can bring it down. Right order. I don't know. It's my order. Good enough. Alright, let's see. So the total length of it will be like about 3.5 inches. So 1, 2, 3 is just above my mouth. We'll leave it at 3 and 6, 3 and 8, 6 and 8, 3 and 8. Yeah, that'll be fine. What I need. I just want to put a little divot right there and then burn it in. Oops. Okay. I like that. Pretty cool. So that will freaking just fit. Alright. She's looking good here. Let's go ahead and get